Good afternoon, everybody. We are here for Careerversity's business series. This is an ongoing business series where we try to get the experts in various fields together, and we are trying to build a fair amount of noise on the ongoing career education as well as the MBA market. I'd like to introduce my audience to my audience here. Shantanu Ghosh, who has been a very well-known marketing management expert in the digital space as well as general marketing area. Professor Viraj Atre, who is an expert in operations management area and has been actively working on engineering management. Colonel Krish Chandran, who has been a part of the Army services and has been on the senior management level. And Dr. Shrikant Deshmukh, who is an expert in hospital management area. So the topic of discussion today, gentlemen, is what happens to thousands of fresh MBAs who come out into the corporate world. They complete their management education and are extremely enthusiastic to get on with the job. But really what happens when they enter the corporate world is a story by itself. So we will discuss on that. And number two, why is placement such a misunderstood word? This is probably the biggest term which most of the students search for, try to look for, but has not been truly understood. So, I will like to have your views on this. Shantanu sir, can you start with you?
I would like to place my view as, because of the incessant focus that the media has placed on salaries of management graduate. Unfortunately, the whole concept of education, in my view, education is supposed to prepare you with substance to face the world for the next 40-50 years. Unfortunately, if you see the sort of reporting in newspapers and television, too much emphasis has been placed on the salaries and the number of jobs, the highest salary when an IIM Ahmedabad graduate gets a starting salary of 1 crore. It seems that is the only aspect of placement that gets reported. Unfortunately, that is only one, in my view, that is just one aspect of education. Education has a much more important role than securing you the good first job. It's much bigger than that. I think the role of education is to prepare you for the future, to equip you with the knowledge and the attitude to learn, which will see you through the rest of your career. So as a result of which, there is extreme amount of pressure that builds up on the management graduates today to start their career at very, very high salaries. There's an internal peer pressure building up. Another reason why a lot of pressure is building up on the fresh management graduates is, in the last 10 years, the percentage of students who, as the fee structure of institutes are pushed up the wall, there is a well-known management institute in Hyderabad which offers a 1-year management program at a price of over 20 lakhs. So people are borrowing large amounts of money from the banks at pretty high rates of interest, which creates enormous pressure on students. They start counting that the day I start working, I have to pay 25,000 rupees per month to the bank. All this creates a lot of pressure. So these are two negative aspects I see of management graduates taking up their first jobs today.
Right.